Hi.
Excuse me, I need some help finding shoes.
Of course. Welcome to our store. How can I help you?
Do you have these sneakers in size 9?
Let me check our inventory in the back.
Thank you. I really like the design of these.
Yes, we do have size 9 in stock. Would you like to try them on?
Sure, that would be great. I want to make sure they fit.
Yes, we do have size 9 in stock. Would you like to try them on?
Sure, that would be great. I want to make sure they fit.
Here you go. You can sit right here, sir.
Sitting down, unlacing. Thanks. Let me try them on.
Take your time. There is no rush at all.
Standing up, looking in the mirror, amazed. Wow, they look really nice on my feet.
Approving, professional tone. They do look great. That is one of our most popular styles.
I can see why. The colors are perfect for everyday wear.
Yes, they go well with jeans, shorts, almost anything.
Curious. Do they come in any other colors besides gray?
Yes, we have them in black, white, and navy blue.
Decisive, smiling. Nice options, but I think I will stick with this gray one.
Agreeing, checking the fit. Gray is a great neutral color, very versatile. How do they feel on your feet? Too tight or just right?
Wiggling his toes, a bit hesitant. They're super comfortable, but maybe a half size bigger would be better.
No problem at all. I will grab a 9.5 for you.
Thanks a lot. You are really helpful.
You are very welcome. That is what I'm here for. Here's the other pair. Try these on and see how they feel.
Oh yeah, these fit perfectly. Much better than before.
Awesome. They look great on you. Very comfortable.
Yes, very comfortable. I could walk in these all day.
That's exactly what you want from good sneakers. Would you like to take them home today?
Absolutely. I'll wear them out of the store right now.
Perfect. Would you like me to put your old shoes in the box?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Here you go. Thank you for shopping with us today.
Thank you. These shoes feel just right. I love them.
Good afternoon. What can I get for you?
Hi, I need some water, please. It's really warm outside.
Tell me about it. 90 degrees today. Do you want regular or flavored?
Just regular water is fine.
Small or large bottle?
Large, please. I'm going for a long walk.
Smart idea. The large bottles are in the cooler at the back.
Perfect. Thanks. Do you sell snacks, too?
Sure do. Chips, granola bars, fruit. What are you looking for?
Maybe a granola bar. Something light.
These oat and honey ones are popular.
I'll take one. How much for both?
Water is $2. Granola bar is $1.50. So $3.50 total.
Here's $5.
Thanks. Here's your change. $1.50. Do you have a bag?
Plastic or paper?
Paper is better, thank you.
Here you go. Are you from around here?
No, I'm visiting from Canada. Just sightseeing.
Oh, nice. How long are you staying?
Just the weekend, then I head back home.
Make sure you visit the waterfront. It's gorgeous in the evening.
I will. Thanks for the suggestion.
Anytime. Enjoy your walk and stay cool.
You too. Bye.
Hello, welcome to City Gifts. Looking for anything special?
Hi. Yes, I need a gift for my mom.
Oh, how sweet. What does she like?
She collects teacups from different cities.
Oh, perfect. We have beautiful ceramic cups right here.
These are lovely. Do they come with saucers?
Yes, sets of 2, cup and saucer together.
How much is this blue one with flowers?
$18, hand-painted by local artists.
It's beautiful. I'll take it.
Great choice. Would you like it gift-wrapped?
Yes, please. That would save me time.
No problem. Any cards or other souvenirs?
Maybe a bookmark. Something small.
These wooden ones are nice. $3 each.
I'll take 2. One for my mom, one for my sister.
Perfect. So we have the tea set and 2 bookmarks. $24 total.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Absolutely. Here's the card reader.
Done. Thank you so much.
Here's everything wrapped up. Safe travels.
You too. Goodbye.